In this video, traders, we're going to look at how we can get set up on MT4 and start trading in less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. All right, so I'm going to hit the screens in a moment and we're going to look at how we can get set up an MT4 account, get our charts loaded up and get trading within less than 5 minutes. Let's hit the screens and let's find out. All right guys, so here we are, Pepperstone to start trading now. Takes you to the secure account opening registration form, create your login, usual stuff, you know the score here guys, email address, blah blah blah, complete your application, fill out all that stuff, confirm your ID. Sometimes you're able to do it online, other times you have to upload your ID documents or part of the authorization and requirements needed. Then once it's approved, you can fund it and then trade. So let's assume you've got your email. It says, welcome, Mr. or Mrs. Trader. You now have a Pepperstone account, you funded it, and you're ready to go. What do you do? So what you want to do is you want to go back to the home page and go to platforms, and you say, right, I want to start with MT4 first. I'm familiar with MT4, all good. Find out more. That'll take you to the MT4 page. Once you're here, you can then select the download link you want. I am on a desktop at the moment, a Windows desktop, so I'll select MT4 for Windows. If you're on Mac, do this. Bearing in mind, if you have done the recent update, I run a MacBook Pro, and I have updated it, so I cannot run this because I have Mac OS Catalina update. I think MT4 is trying to find a fix for that at the moment. So if you have updated it to this, you can't run it on your Mac, but you can run it on Windows and of course mobile, tablet, Android and Apple Store. Okay, so MT4 for Windows, you know the score here, downloads, goes to an exe file, click that, run it, and then run through the process. The process is relatively simple, step by step, you know the installation wizard, and you will then be presented with MT4 account. Now you may have to add some bits here. In other words, you might have to, as you start off, log into your trade account. You have to log in here, use your password, select your server, and you're away. Now, that'll all be set up for you just using the login credentials that you sent via email. So what you want to do, first of all, you're in an account, you want to make sure you're in your live account, so you want to go to your trade area, you want to make sure your balance is here, you want to make sure everything that you've put in is as it should be. This is a live account. This is exactly as you would see it here. You'll see your accounts here, you'll see your account name and stuff all there, all ready to go. So let's say you wanted to just kind of test it out, place a trade, see if everything's working. Now, I'd always recommend doing a bit of due diligence, guys. It's real money. You've got a real money account. You want to make sure that your first trade isn't just on a whim. But let's assume you've kind of opened up your chart window. You're on a 1 minute chart, and you go, right, you know what? I'm going to place a trade. I'm going to see if everything's working as it should be. So always, my first trade on a new account is always going to be the smallest possible value. You just don't want to be messing around with large sums here. So let's just say I want to buy it here. It'll then come through and it will show me my buy level, my size, and all this kind of stuff. And now the account type I'm on, I've got a commission on this, I've got my spread, etc. And of course I've got MT4 set up. It shows me my buy level is here, and then my running P&L here. So if you're familiar with MT4, you're going to know all about this. If you're not, I've got a few videos coming up, guys. I'm going to talk about how we can get the most out of MT4, how we can use it, how we can really get the best from the different layouts, from different charts, and that's the kind of thing. So, once you've done that, okay, right, we're fine. The orders are going through it perfectly, and you can then configure it and work out exactly how you want it to be for your particular trading style. If you're a scalper, if you are a swing trader, I might put some more chart windows in here. In fact, I kind of like to have 4 chart windows when I'm using MT4, and then I kind of go to the windows and I tile my windows, and then I'll change the time frames to suit whatever I'm looking at. But I'm going to go through that in more detail at a later date. So anyway, let's close off this trade now. We know that it works. You know that all tickets are going through fine. That was very quick. You can you can close your trade quick, literally by going here. When you first do that, it's going to say to you, hey, do you know what? If you want to do one-click trading, you need to accept the terms and conditions that come with that. Once you've done that once, and you can do one-click trading from there in an instant without having to do that each time. So that's how you get set up, guys. Use your login that you get given by email, pump it in straight away, make sure you've got the feed coming through, check it all good, put in your first trade, should be the smallest trade possible. just to see exactly what's going on. Make sure it's going through correctly, and then you are away and ready to rock and roll. Take care. See you next one. Bye bye.